It's an absurd premise. But if a chimp figured out a nuclear bomb, I think we'd step in. I think we'd say, hey, dude, no. You're gonna kill everything. Now, if you're infinite, look, we're not that removed from chimps. What do we share? Like 98% of their DNA?
Yeah.
And we're only removed from them by what? A few million years from a nearest cousin? That's not that long. Right? So you could imagine something that's infinitely more intelligent looking at us exactly the way we'd look at a chimp with a nuclear bomb. Like, hey.
I remembered I was talking to someone, and they said, yeah, I'm not worried about this. Are you not worried about the fact that AI could become more intelligent than us? What is it going to be like when we're not the smartest things on the planet?
Right.
Which might be just a few years from now. And I might be quite relieved, because I'm not sure they could it up at the level that we have it up. So it's
you would have to give it legitimate sentience. Like, it would have to be completely independent from any ideology, and it would have to look at things completely objectively. But imagine a government that is run that way. Like, really run in a way where there is an actual distribution of resources for all the human beings on the planet, so poverty is instantaneously eradicated. You give electricity and clean water to everyone on Earth immediately. Immediately, we figure out how to distribute healthy food. Immediately, all the toxins and preservatives that have been giving people cancer, immediately they're removed from the human diet. They immediately make sure that we have no polluting of rivers, that we're not draining all the fish out of the ocean. Immediately change all of the treaties about nuclear weapons. All the nuclear weapons got to go. This AI government just runs over.
I imagine they'd say that
dictators. Yeah, no more dictators. Cut the with the dictator. We're just going to let human beings exist in harmony, guided by this super intelligent, godlike thing that we've created out of silicone.
Yeah, honestly, I've had the same thought. And
that's the utopian view.
Yeah, and so I have thought, how could it be worse? In fact, it could be significantly better. But, yeah.
AI gets fucked with by people, right? And the AI we've seen so far has all the greasy fingerprints of human emotion and illogical. Like, when Google released their AI, they asked them to show photographs, create images, rather, of Nazi soldiers. So they did a diverse group of Nazi soldiers, including an African-American woman, an Asian woman, a Native American woman with braids was a Nazi. It's so nuts, because it's like, okay,